In this video, I'll show you how to configure your Calendly settings step by step so you can personalize your profile, set the right time zone, and make sure your availability and calendar connections are ready to go. Whether you're brand new to Calendly or you just want to clean up your account settings, this guide will walk you through everything in a simple way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens your account menu where you'll find the main settings options for your profile and preferences. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage the personal details and preferences that control how your Calendly account appears and behaves. Inside the settings area, start by reviewing your profile information. Here you can update your name, change your profile picture, make sure your account details are current. Keeping this information up to date helps your booking pages look professional and makes it easier for people to recognize you. Next, look for your language and time zone preferences. This part is very important because your availability, event times, and booking schedule all depend on the correct time zone. If your time zone is wrong, people may book meetings at times that don't match your real schedule. So take a moment to confirm everything is set properly before moving on. While you're in settings, you can also review other account preferences depending on what options are available in your version of Calendly. This may include notifications or security-related settings. If you want your account to stay organized and secure, it's always a good idea to check these areas as well. Now, if you want to change when people can book meetings with you, go back to the home page. From there, click Availability in the left sidebar. This is where you can control your open hours and adjust the times when you're available for scheduling. You may want to block off certain days, shorten your booking windows, or customize availability for different situations. This is especially useful if your work schedule changes from week to week. If you need to connect your calendar or manage an existing connection, look for integrations or calendar connections in the main navigation. Depending on your version of Calendly, the name may be slightly different, but the goal is the same. This section lets you connect calendars like Google Calendar or Outlook, so Calendly can check your real availability and avoid double bookings. Make sure your calendar is connected correctly so your scheduling stays accurate. As you make changes, watch for a save button or any prompt asking you to confirm your updates. If Calendly asks you to save, be sure to click it so your settings are applied properly. It's always smart to double check your changes before leaving the page, especially for time zone, availability, and calendar connection settings. And that's it. You now know how to configure your Calendly settings, update your profile, set your time zone, adjust availability, and manage your calendar connections. These simple changes can make a big difference in how smoothly your scheduling works. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.